pattern is going to be a wrap to unwrap to elbow catch to samba to free spin. Yeah, it's a lot. So we're going to end up having to probably take this around the floor a couple of times, let you see this, all right? And now when we do this, if we bring it across, we'll just have to back it up, let you see what's going on, just to be sure, because it's a little bit lengthy, okay? So just go around your kitchen if you need to. All right, so we're going to do a little quick in place and then 2 preps. Ready? And quick, slow, wrap, quick, slow, quick, catch, all right? Quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, and slow. So you can see how that changed direction a little bit there, but it's right into the sambas at the end, okay? So let's take it from this angle, all right? Ready? And quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, and slow. So again, you can cut this back, go right back in the corner, go around the floor, whatever works, all right? Let's do this again, but we're going to come back in a couple different areas. We're going to come straight at you, all right? And then we're going to cut it in 2 parts, all right? So we have quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. So I catch on the back of the elbow and I go right in to set up the sambas. Quick, slow, yes? So let's back this up a little bit. So just like the sambas, we're here on the inside, or excuse me, outside, and we want to go quick, slow, and then out she goes, da-da, yes? So you see what happens when as I go to move, I kind of change rail to rail on this one, all right? So one more time, let's take it from this angle. So we have quick, slow, wrap, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. I'll switch all the way around, okay? And from there, we go right into the sambas. We'll back it up a little bit. Quick, slow, quick, slow, and slow. So again, remember, when you rotate, ladies, just rotate and just do whatever you can, guys. Remember, sometimes it can be tight in the house, tight on your floor. But again, this is the whole point about trying to practice in the area that you have. This all works well. You don't have to make it big. Just work out the patterns, okay, to your size and your footwork. So with this pattern, take your time, divide it up like we did, and just go through it step by step. Have fun with it. Breathe and have fun. That's key, all right? So thanks so much, and come on back for your next pattern.